your tip. 340, like you're clean shaven. Completely.
Yeah, the shot was possible.
The shot was possible, right, so yeah, okay. But you know, all solidarity here, my friend. We've got a lot of support here, right? You're really good at this.
Yeah, not bad. We're doing that for about three days per week.
3 crates a week is prolific. That's not bad. That's brilliant. So many questions about you, mate, honestly. You've been watching World Cup then, though?
Yeah, of course.
All right, outside of England or Scotland, who are you fancying? Would you like to? This is a difficult question.
I've never got life up to it, but I have to take that.
France, yeah, they've got Scotland, yeah. Now, it's there. Brazil, yeah, but you've got everyone in Brazil because they don't win enough. You're a big cricket fan, golf fan, right?
Yeah, football, cricket, golf, yeah.
Man, dear to my heart, man, dear to my heart. You used to be a bowler.
Yeah, well, a little bit winning the ball.
Yeah, see, I was a bowler as well. When did you give it up?
Yeah, could be a little bit,
Sorry, I was a kid. We didn't have any gear, mate. Honestly, we didn't play once. You played the full strip and everything, yeah? You were proper. No, not us. But we're not Huddersfield, so, you know, it's different. It's not so much concrete grinding. Just too much. Well, listen, mate. You excelled, it certainly is. That's a home cricket, isn't it? But you excelled at cricket, got a bit of golf, and you get 3 right a week. Now you're on air. Let's play.
5 seconds to name.
There's that, Jonathan.
the black man.
Brilliant work, Jonathan. Well done.
Thank you.
Although, I've got to warn you that Rose is going to give you a new nickname. Alright? 3 baldies or T baldies seems a bit lazy, so she's come up with no hair, don't care. What's it? I like that even more than 3. Alright, in there, get bang, yellow pillow, upside your head, big fun, outstanding, or someday, which one would you like? Oh, the old road dance song. Right, brilliant. Right, Jonathan, you've got the floor. Would you like to do a shout out?
Yeah. Hello to my girlfriend and some kids and everyone else to that.
Any
From England.
yeah, of course, son. Team all these, we don't know, we leave it up to the audience if it's no hair, don't care, or team all these. Because you named your team all these. I don't think we should change it. Who are we? Great talking to you, Jonathan.
Yeah, that's all.
Cheers, mate. Bye. Good day. Bye. Humble Jonathan, mate.